What is up, you guys? It's your girl at M and welcome back to Mind Up You. So, for today's video, ayan, welcome to our resort. Bahang-baha. Luto ng hotdog. Unang. Yes. Sino ang ating isang wala na tawag sa kanya. Surveying in Manila, hindi ka ba nilalamig? Yan, kahit nasa Malolos tayo. Yes. Baha. So, ayan na po ang ating finished product. Ang ating sinangag at hotdog na para sa hapunan. Thanks for watching. Bye!